After facing the Battlenet launcher issue myself and trying many solutions, I finally found multiple effective strategies, which I'm excited to share now. This video will show you exactly how to fix Battlenet launcher not working and failed on Lutris in a way that gets you back to gaming fast. First, updating Lutris and Wine is super important because old versions can have bugs or not understand newer programs. Getting the latest updates makes sure your system speaks the right language to Battlenet, making it run smoothly. Next, clearing the Battlenet cache helps a lot. Think of the cache as temporary notes the program takes. If these notes get messy or wrong, the program gets confused and won't start. Deleting them makes Battlenet write fresh, clean notes. Then we look at changing Lutris runner settings. Lutris uses special tools like Wine to help Windows programs run on Linux. Adjusting these tools can fix how games look or even if they start at all, making sure Battlenet gets the right instructions. Finally, sometimes the main program files themselves get broken. Reinstalling Battlenet from scratch is like getting a brand new perfect copy. This fixes any deep problems that other steps can't reach, ensuring everything is set up just right.